Respected Chairman of CBROA, Mr. Kulkarni ji, President Mr. Balur, our friend, General Manager of Pune Circle, Mr. Sumedh Kumar ji, Sanjay Upadhyay ji, our compeer Ajay Mutatkar ji, Pune CBROA office bearers, Mr. Ravindra Wali, Mr. Pradeep Jain, our other friends, Mr. Arun Gote, Bagale, and all my retiree colleagues. Very, very good morning. It's a very auspicious occasion that our Pune retiree friends have during this free time, particularly forced COVID pandemic time. They have come out with a very, very innovative idea of publishing this Deepavali Ank, that is Mukta And today is a very auspicious day for some other reasons also, 11th November. One thing is, 11th bipartite is being signed at Mumbai, almost over. Another one, Canara Bank Officers Association and Canara Bank Syndicate Bank Officers Association, they are coming together. It is being amalgamated. Today at 4:30, Bangalore head office, we have organized a meeting. That is amalgamation of CBOA with SBOA or SBOA with CBOA. There is one more happy occasion that our Mangalore friends, CBOA, they are starting another holiday home for our colleagues, members and retirees in Mangalore today. So totally this Deepavali augurs well for all of us, and there are so many developments. We are eagerly waiting what is coming out of this 11th bipartite settlements. Majority of our issues, particularly updation of pension and improvement in family pension, it may not figure in the settlement details or your proceeding, but there is a ray of hope now that Madam Nirmala Sitharaman has given some positive signal, an encouraging statement that bankers also need to be taken care of. Yesterday, while addressing the AGM of IBA, she has touched that bankers, including retirees and their families, also need to be taken care of. So that ray of hope, we are expecting it should be converted into the updation of pension issue to be resolved as early as possible. And on 22nd July 2020, when the MOU was signed between IBA and UFBU, the IBA chairman at the end of the meeting has gone on record declaring that family pension will be increased from the existing 15% to 30% without any ceiling or cutoff. So this is another positive development, whether it figures in today's meeting or not, but we are hopeful that our long pending these two issues, particularly updation of pension and increase in the improvement in the family pension, will see the light of the day as early as possible. If not today, maybe in the near future. So I again congratulate our Pune retirees. Our Mutatkar told the life begins at 60. It's a second innings. During our service days, we might not have been able to give some attention or time to our personal life or our creativity or our innovation, whatever it is. It is time that we all utilize our talent, creativity in bringing out such ventures. The first time, Mukta Chand has come out nicely, and I congratulate all the contributors to the magazine Deepavali Ank, and I also congratulate the editorial team, our friends, who have taken pains during, though it is pandemic time, for coordinating to bring out such a beautiful Deepavali Ank magazine on this auspicious occasion of Deepavali. It is a festival of lights, the fight over darkness, and ensuring that this Deepavali will bring cheers to all of us. Again, I congratulate all our Pune friends for this innovative and very good opportunity to given to all the talents of the retirees and coming out with the magazine Mukt Chand. I wish all of you all the very best. Wish you all a very happy Deepavali. And CBROA on its part, we are trying our best to bring more cheers, comforts to our members, particularly insurance. IBA insurance, you are all aware, we have opportunity for those who are left out or who had not joined the scheme. There is one more opportunity, Circular 864 of 2020. It has come day before yesterday. Life certificates, because of this COVID pandemic, people may not be able to go out. So we have brought so many reliefs for the people to submit the life certificate. So many things are there on our agenda, and our Apex organizations are on the job. We are coordinating with them, and we are trying to bring whatever is possible in our limited resources and bring more cheers to the retirees. Wish you all again a happy Deepavali and all the best to the team Pune. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.